United Nations Economic and Social Council President Wiksen Keylapail has said that China has set an example on poverty eradication, particularly amid intersecting global crises. The chief of ECOSOC, the world body's central forum for discussing international economic and social issues, spoke with Xinhua in an interview on the sidelines of the high-level political forum on sustainable development that concluded last week.
China has a good experience in dealing with poverty from where you have come from, so I'm aware that there's a lot to learn from China in that area. The experiences that China brings to this subject are very key for us to learn, and it can only happen when there is truly committed leadership that really ensures that what they've promised their population when they get into office can really be done. So I would think that if one was to really tick the boxes and measure some of the achievements, I would just say it's something that we need to congratulate the leadership for delivering for the Chinese people and hope that all of us can learn from that achievement.